Good morning class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Locus. It is chapter 10th of class 10th mathematics. Okay. So firstly, today in this lecture we are going to just study the fundamental concepts of this chapter. Fine. So first we will deal with the definition or meaning of locus. What is locus? So meaning of locus is path of points. Okay, path of points. What does it mean? Suppose that there are so many points drawn on a particular paper or any plane, so many points. If I connect all those points, if all those points are connected, we get a meaningful shape, we get any kind of shape. Okay, this is known as locus. So I am going to tell you about with the help of some of the examples. Okay, giving many points from 1 point to 2 point, then 3 point, then 4 points, many points. So to understand the locus, you need to first understand this. Suppose that there is a point, this is a point, only single point. I am finding locus for this single point. Okay, this is a point. And I am supposed to find the locus, for example, at 3 centimeter away from this, 3 centimeter away from this. So this is a point, 3 centimeter away from this. There may be a point. Suppose that this is the distance of 3 centimeter. This is a point which is 3 centimeter away of this. Okay. I have given it name A. Its name is A. Now, it is not certain that locus is always in this direction. It may be in any direction, right? So, suppose that I can obtain another locus. What? At this point. This is also a 3 centimeter distance. Give it a name B. Another point I can obtain. Suppose that I have obtained a locus, a point 3 centimeter away here in this side, upside. This distance is also 3 centimeter. So this point is C. Okay. Now what? I can obtain another point like here. I can take this distance also 3 centimeter, a point here, anywhere. Right? Anywhere around this. But the distance is 3 centimeter. So if I connect all those points, suppose that I am connecting all these locus. I connect all those points. I am drawing with the rough hand, not using any instrument. So I get a circle, right? I get a circle. All those points which were locus, or I can say which were at equal distance from these points, 3 centimeter. We were given 3 centimeter. We first plotted all the points 3 centimeter away from this point, and then we connected all the points. What kind of shape we got? We got a circle. So this is the locus. Clear? So there are basically, with the help of this example, you may have obtained a concept. What is locus? The first point is equal distance is there between the point. Equal distance is there. What is the another thing? There is a meaningful shape, meaningful figure, something is there, like this is a circle, this is a meaningful shape, we identify this, or I can say there must be identifiable shape is also there. Okay, so locus of one point is something like this. Okay, so this is the locus of one point. If I increase the number of points, then what? Let's see. Suppose there are 2 points. One point is here, another point is here. Fine. Okay. Now I have connected these points. Okay. Now maybe I can give them a name AB. AB is a line on which A is one point, B is another point. Now I have to find the locus for these 2 points. First we calculated locus for the first 1 point. Now we are calculating locus for the 2 points, point A and point B. So basic meaning, I said that there must be equal distance. There must be equal distance between the points. So I must have a point which is equidistant from A and from B also. Fine, I cannot draw a point like this. This is near to this and farther to this. This is not the locus. The distance must be equal. That is the condition. Fine. So I can say that this is a point. I can suppose that this distance and this distance is equal. So it is said to it can be said, it can be a locus. Fine. Another, this can also be a point. This distance and this distance is also same, right? It can also be another point. The distance is equal. Fine. So lots of points can be there. Lots of points which can be at equal distance from both these points. So if I connect all these locus, if I connect all these points, I have connected them all. It can go more in the downside also. Okay. So if I connected all the points, then what did I obtain? I got a meaningful shape. I got a meaningful thing. What? This line, all these points, the line joining all these points is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector. So what is the meaningful shape? What is the meaningful object? We got a perpendicular bisector. The distance is equal. First condition is satisfied. Another condition was what? Meaningful something. Okay. So this is a perpendicular bisector. If I connect all these points, we get a point, we get a line which divide AB into 2 equal parts. Suppose AB was 10 centimeter, but when this line cut this, it becomes 5 and it becomes 5. So we get a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means it is 90 degree. Bisector means what? It divides it into 2 equal parts. It was 10 centimeter, for example. This is 5 and this is 5. So what is the locus? Give name. Perpendicular bisector. Okay, like in the previous one pointed locus, the locus was circle. We draw a circle, and this is in this for the 2 points, locus is perpendicular bisector. Fine. So this is for the 2 points. Now if I increase if I increase the points to 3 points, then what? Suppose there are 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 3 points. I have given them name ABC. Fine, I am connecting them, joining them. Okay, they are joined. So now I want to find the locus of all these 3 points. So what I really mean by the finding the locus, I mean I want to obtain a point, or maybe many points, but in this case only 1 point we can get. I want to obtain a point which is equal distance from all these points. I want to get a particular point, a particular location which is equal distance from all these points. Suppose that I have drawn a point here. Is this distance and this distance equal? Absolutely not. So this is not locus. If I have placed a point here, is this distance, this one and this one equal? Again, no. So for example, this is the point which is at equal distance from A, from B and from C. Okay, the point at equal distance from A, B and C. If the distance is equal, then it is said to be a locus, right? First condition is satisfied, equal distance. Then it must be meaningful shape also, meaningful shape or meaningful something definition. Okay, so we are supposed to give it a name, because locus is always a name of a shape. So this distance equal, and this is also equal, all the distances are equal. So the further study about regarding this, I am going to tell you something, but the further study about this will be in chapter 14. So you will get an idea in details about that in chapter 14. But right now, because we have not done so far chapter 14, so you must memorize it for a while. In chapter 14, I will explain you in deeper way. So if it is a point which is at equal distance from all the vertices, vertex means corner of this triangle. If this point is if it is at equal distances from all the corners, okay, then that means if I am having a compass, I have needle of compass over here and I have the pencil over here, and if I make it around, then I will have a circle which touches all the vertices, right? If this point is at equal distance from 1, 2, 3, all the vertices, all the corners, then if I round it, then I can obtain a circle which touches all the vertices. So at this particular time, for this circle, this is what? This is center of the circle, right? This is center of the circle. But notice one thing, circle is made outside the triangle, and if the circle is made outside the triangle, that is known as circumcircle. Okay, we will study this in deeper way in the chapter 14. Understand this for a while now. Circle is drawn outside with the help of this particular point. So this is circumcircle, because outside circle is not a word, circumcircle is the word. This is known as circumcenter. So what is the locus of the 3 points ABC? This is circumcenter. Two conditions satisfied. What was first condition? This is the point which is at equal distance from A, B, C, all. Fine. Second condition is meaningful shape. Yes, we can get a meaningful shape. What? If we draw this like this, we obtain a circle. Circle is not the locus. Locus is always this. Fine. This is the point which is at equal distance from all the points ABC. So this is the locus, and what is its name? Because it can draw a circle outside the triangle, that means it can draw a circumcircle. So this is, because this is not a circle, this is a point, so this is circumcenter. Fine. Okay, another condition. Similarly, if this circle was drawn inside, that means to say this point is at equal distance from this side. Right now, this time I am not taking the equal distance from A, B, C. It may be at equal distance from these sides. This distance, and this distance. This is equal. If this is equal, or I mean to say, if the circle is drawn inside, this is in circle. At this time, what will be locus? The circle is drawn inside, so the locus will be in center, because this is an inside circle of the triangle. At this time, what is the name of this point? This is the center, but circle is drawn inside, so this is in center. Fine. So we have so far studied locus of obtaining the locus of 1 point, obtaining the locus of 2 points, and obtaining the locus of 3 points. Lots of things are there so far to come, but All these things will be studied in the further lectures. Okay, till then you must practice this study a little bit more. I will help you in the following upcoming exercises. We will solve the exercises together. You will have so many doubts, I will sort them out. Okay, so till then, like this channel, share and subscribe. Thank you.